we're down in the basement of our central plant. This right here, of course, is our fire pump. Got to talk about fire pump. Here, as always, is Drew. Drew, say hey.
Hello.
So I was on a call yesterday. A good friend brought up that accrediting organizations are starting to cite fire pump shaft alignment not being documented as part of the annual testing of the fire pump. So this is required by NFPA 25, 2011 edition, which is what we reference again because of the 2012 edition of NFPA 101 being adopted by CMS. So annually, the fire pump shaft is required to be checked against the impeller shaft. So this is our fire pump, right? This is our fire pump shaft coming into a coupling. This is our impeller over here that actually boosts water flow, the pressure. This is the shaft for the impeller. So there's two things that code tells us to look for: angular displacement and parallel displacement. First, angular displacement is looking at the shaft from all angles. You actually use a set of calipers or something like this to look at it. And your fire pump technician will do this, so make sure it's on the form. The angular displacement looks at is the angle of the shaft off. Any aspect. So looking at it this way, it'll be left and right, steered that way, up and down, right? So, and then parallel displacement is when the shafts don't align from any angle. So looking at it up and down, or from the side horizontally, and the shafts wouldn't align one way or another. It's parallel displacement. Same thing, left and right, looking down at it. So this should be documented if you're using the standard like AFSA or NFSA fire pump testing forms. These are on there as part of that check. It just says check to see if it's angle, if it's aligned or not, and then fix any misalignment, yes or no. So this, if you want to read more about this, the handbook, NFPA 25 2011 handbook, has a lot of great information on angular and parallel displacement. It's in section 8.3.4.4, and we'll post that down below. But that's it. So make sure that your fire pumps are being checked annually for displacement. Something you can add to your monthly PMs for your electric fire pumps, weekly PMs for your diesel, is if you hear or see excessive vibration, then you may want to get your shaft alignment checked out. It may just be a coupling issue, but you have to check it out as well. So, Drew, anything else?
That's it.
Awesome. Until next time, everybody.